everybody. Welcome to Maker Day at Palisades Park Library. Today, my friend and I are going to show you how to make this really cool Bristle Bot. So, in your bag, you got all of these things plus one quick guide instructions. You can use this to make your Bristle Bot if you want, but we're going to show you how it's done also. So the first thing you need to do is get your toothbrush, kind of looks like a toothbrush, right? And put the sticky tape down on it. You're going to want to put your sticky tape right in the middle of your Bristle Bot. Don't forget to take off the plastic on both sides. So the next thing we're going to do is you're going to find the motor in your bag. Can you hold up the motor really close to the camera? Wow, yes. So we're going to put that on our Bristle Bot next. Make sure the part with the wires faces in, and you leave a little bit on the side hanging off the back, all right? The next thing we're going to do is put our battery on. This battery is what's going to make the whole thing work. But there's something really important we have to do to make it work, which is to take your blue wire and make sure that your battery is going to be sitting on top of the metal end of your blue wire, okay? Make sure to put your battery on the flat side up. Perfect. The next thing we're going to do is add his legs. That's the fun part, right? You're going to put one leg underneath the Bristle Bot's body and the other one on the top. And then we're going to twist them together, just like pipe cleaners do. You can make his arms point whatever direction you want, but you might find that once he starts moving, the arms help him stay steady. It's okay if your arms aren't totally even, all right? My arms aren't even either. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is put our googly eyes on. That's the most important part, right? Your googly eyes have sticky backs too, so you can stick those to the front of your Bristle Bot, but they might not be sticky enough, so you might have to add a little bit of extra glue from home, okay? Oh, look, we have twins. Lovely. So to make your Bristle Bot work, you're going to take the red wire and you're going to touch it to the battery at the top. We're closing the circuit and making our battery work. Now, my Bristle Bot's a little bit old, so he might not work so great. Let's try. Whoa! Where are you going? All right. I hope your Bristle Bots work just as well as these crazy guys do. Have a lot of fun and definitely show us the pictures of the ones you make, okay? Oh, no!